What's up guys, Sly here. Just what this is me re-recording another video that I recorded with my old phone that doesn't have internet, and part of the reason why, actually the complete reason why I wasn't uploading very much to Chardonae was. So yeah. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna try recording on this phone from the other phone, and yeah. Alright, let's do this. What's up guys, Sly here, and I'm trying my hand at a... Shut up, JJ!
Sorry,
Anyways, I'm trying my hand at the reaction videos for white noise.
Okay.
So, I'm doing this with...
Oh, we could.
I'm doing this with Chardonae. You got some nice boots.
Thank you.
You have blue boots.
I like your boots too. They're like all boyish.
Oh, what?
Boyish. Like, those are my kids. No.
Kind of hoping to scare you. Alright, let's get this.
That booty though.
I'm going to kill you. Oh my gosh, that's bloody footprints. That's freaky. Oh, just to warn you guys before any scaring happens, I have a very high fear level, so if I see something and I get scared, I'm going to let you guys know it real hard. Like, really loudly. I'm surprised I haven't broken your eardrums out yet. JJ, don't leave me! JJ, you suck! We're gonna die if you leave me.
Sorry.
We separate, we die. That's how the game goes.
Tell me something,
Hi. Should I be worried that there's a woman missing?
Maybe. You can know why I'll show it to you.
So freaking scared.
Oh my god, look at the sky.
That's a lot of stars.
Yeah. That is a lot of stars.
JJ, this was a terrible idea of just sneak into the museum at night. Why did you talk me into this? Or how did I let you talk me into this?
You gave in to peer pressure.
There's more bloody footprints.
Too bad.
Why are we even in this museum at night? Why did you want to come here so badly?
I hear that there's this monster thing running around. I want to go see what it is.
What the frick is that? It hurts.
What?
Where'd you go?
I don't feel anything.
Look to your right.
I saw it.
Modern art. Oh, I found a tape recorder.
That's supposed to be in the video.
Shut the door.
Shut the door. Go shut the door.
The door's still open.
Go shut the door. lost each other. Oh wait, never mind.
Are you satisfied with that monster?
No. Turn around.
What? Dude, you're crazy. Ah!
Huh, I'm crazy. Right.
You're crazy!
What? Mr. Pop?
My name's Jimmy! Oh, that voice is hurting my head. Oh! I'm gonna turn the volume up because I hope they can hear you.
I can hear you about it.
You don't know that. Come on, don't turn. Keep running straight. We will survive.
I wonder if anybody do this without, like, yeah. There you go. Yeah. He's right behind you. I thought it was the end of you. Huh?
So you were just gonna sacrifice me to him? Oh,
Wait,
you're alive. Wow.
Oh, he's gone.
Is he?
Oh, this room's weird.
It's a dead end! It's a dead end!
What?
This sounds a dead end!
Is he behind us?
No.
That's good.
JJ, come on. We need to get out before he comes and corners us in here. And then we're pretty much screwed.
Move the lever.
Okay! That's the only way! That's the only way!
That's a wall. Run!
He's right
What?
there! How's he in both places?
There's two. That guy teleports us back. Can I remember this?
What?
No, I was live.
Oh no! No! Don't you dare!
Run! Run! Yeah!
We're getting nowhere! We're getting absolutely nowhere!
We are literally going nowhere.
Yeah, we're literally just going back and forth between... Oh, God!
Really?
Back into
Oh
the
my
room
God.
again!
If he's in this room, I swear to God.
Yeah, really.
Where'd you go?
What?
Oh, you're right there. Let's go this way.
Oh, he's in there!
What's in where?
Come back! Come back! No!
Why?
Don't leave me!
Oh, jeez, that's a guy.
That's me!
He's behind you, though.
He is?
Yeah. Your shadow's really creepy.
Sketty.
I'm trying things just turning like this. I'm not even pulling the trigger. Or twisting.
I know, the game does that. That's an egg.
Oh yeah, that is eggs.
I don't want eggs. I had eggs for breakfast. Don't want it for dinner.
You had powdered donuts for breakfast, okay? They're fine.
I had cinnamon eggs for breakfast to be exact. Cinnamon and powdered. Thank you very much.
God, so symmetrical.
Asymmetrical.
Yeah, dude.
Don't even get that reference. Don't
It's from Black Butler. No, wait.
It's from Full Metal Alchemist, you absolute anime nerd.
I am.
From freaking Full Metal Alchemist. This asymmetrical goddess.
What's it called?
The person who says it?
Oh, geez. No, don't leave me behind.
I'm like, oh! I should not have turned around. I should have turned around. Right or forward, JJ? Right or forward?
What? This way. Right. We're just going around in circles.
Surprised we've lasted this long. We've lasted 11 minutes. New record! Oh God.
What? I was doing good job.
JJ? Where'd you go? JJ, we need to get back together! Or else we're gonna freaking die! JJ, come back! JJ, seriously, don't leave me. We're gonna die if we do. Come here. Why are you not walking with this flashlight?
I thought that
He's right behind us! He's freaking right behind us!
what?
It's the alien! He's right behind us. I know I'm not crazy. I'm not crazy. I saw him, he was there, and he jump scared me.
What is he called?
Hey, Mr. Alien, what's your YouTube channel?
Uh-huh.
Oh! Where did you go? Where'd you
I'll see
go?
it. Go.
Look to your right, look to your right, look to your right.
Where?
Right. How do you not see? Look to your right some more.
Oh!
Where'd you go? JJ, where'd you go? Are you dead? Oh, is that what a body looks like?
Hello.
And you're all dead. Well, that's part one, probably. I don't know how much longer I could keep doing this. No, screw it. I'm gonna keep going. Screw it. Which one's the fight button?
Dude,
What?
I figured out how you can upload without sending me a video.
Can't.
There you go.
Fine. Entertain me.
Okay, there's if you go in the options thing, there's
What?
ooh, there's I hear it. Do you hear the tape?
No. I'm not near you.
Oh. Yeah, you are.
Oh, hi. No, I don't hear the tape.
Right. I'm gonna try to keep that for
Well, that kind of
keep that
hurt.
for
Yeah, it does. What was that? What the heck was that? Dude, this is a freaking predator. I can hear the...
oh no. Oh wait. What do you have?
Dude, my thingy is flickering like nothing else. My flashlight is flickering like nothing else.
Yeah. Definitely make a video for you.
This game's getting me so confused on how I'm still alive.
I'll hold this. I hear another. Do you hear that, Kurt?
I hear an egg. That's right. Oh, it's even creepier without the headset on. Crap, I got an itch in my ear, but it's way more creepy without my headset on. Get out of my face.
Bye. I'm good.
How long have you been? Oh, it's behind me! He's been chasing me! This is the end!
Good stuff.
This is the freaking end!
Oh wait. Did you get me?
Dude, JJ, I've survived for 18 minutes.
Oh.
Anyways, so yeah. That was the video that I recorded on my other phone at the time, and it couldn't upload. So I decided to change it and put it on this phone. But that was really hard to do. Why am I talking like this? I don't know. Anyways, that's all for this time. If you enjoyed that, I still remember that. That was pure terror. Leave a like, leave a comment, hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.